Hey YouTube, welcome back. So I just unboxed this new latest Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max, and this one is the gold colorway. I'm going to show you guys on how to put this screen on real quick. Unfortunately, I ordered the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and somehow the seller never sent it. So I'm gonna put this iPhone 14, the one with the notch. This one. That was has a notch, but this one doesn't have it. So I can use this one. This one was for like a iPhone 13 Pro Max. Okay. So that's why I haven't taken out the protective layer now. Because once you take it out, it's going to have dust and lint or fingerprint. So I want to put it on while it's still brand new. And also I'm going to put this camera protector, right? But since the camera is protruding, I'm going to put it like this so it can sit evenly. And you're supposed to clean with the alcohol, wet and dry. And use this dust absorber to take out the lint. But since this glass is from factory, I'm not going to mess with the alcohol. So let's go ahead and focus over here. Try not to touch the display. And right here it says the top. Now I'm going to peel this off. Wow, so easy. And then squeeze out those bubbles. And now I'm going to put this camera protective. Make sure you match up the hole. Not sure it's the same camera. Yeah, this one's for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I don't think it's covering the lens properly. It's out of line. Well, little bit protection for now, better than nothing. I don't want my wife to crack the lens. And there's your Apple logo right there. Pretty good. There's your dynamic island right there. Okay? Well, I'm gonna set it up my wife's phone now. Unfortunately, this one doesn't take SIM card. So hopefully she could use it tonight. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one always. Peace.